The Ring Doorbell 2024 in Satin Nickel offers a sleek and modern design that seamlessly blends with any home exterior. This advanced doorbell features a built-in battery that can be easily recharged using the convenient USB-C charging port. With the ability to connect to your smartphone, you can receive real-time alerts and engage in two-way talk with visitors. The doorbell's motion detection capabilities ensure you are always aware of any activity around your entrance. Integration with Alexa provides hands-free monitoring, making it easier to manage your home's security. For those who opt for a subscription, the doorbell offers smart alerts and 24/7 recording, enhancing both convenience and security.